Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so excited you're here today. Our word of the day is arrival. It's a B1 level noun, and it means the act of coming to a place. Let's dive right in and learn more about this fantastic word. So, what exactly does arrival mean? Think about when you or someone else reaches a destination. That moment is called the arrival. It's often used to describe when someone or something gets to a specific place, whether it's a train pulling into a station, a guest showing up at a party, or even a package being delivered to your door. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, let's explore some synonyms for arrival. Words like appearance, entry, and coming all share a similar meaning. For example, you could say, her appearance at the event surprised everyone, or the crowd cheered at the team's entry into the stadium. Each of these words captures the same idea of reaching or entering a place. On the flip side, we have antonyms of arrival, such as departure, exit, or leaving. To see these in action, imagine saying, the train's departure was delayed by an hour, or his exit from the stage was met with applause. These words highlight the opposite of arriving, focusing instead on leaving a place. How can we use arrival in everyday life? Well, it's a word you might hear often in travel situations. For example, you could ask, what time is the arrival of your flight? Or you might hear, the arrival of spring means warmer days ahead. It's also common in formal or celebratory contexts, like, we're so excited about the arrival of our new baby. Here are a few more examples of arrival in action. The arrival of the train was right on time. His sudden arrival at the meeting surprised everyone. They celebrated the arrival of the guests with a warm welcome. The arrival of new technology has changed the way we live and work. That's all for today's exploration of arrival. We've covered its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and how to use it in everyday life. I hope this word finds its way into your vocabulary and helps you express yourself more confidently in English. Thanks so much for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support means so much and helps others discover the show. And here's a little challenge. Why not create your own sentence using arrival and share it with us in the comments? I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, I'm Alex, and this was Hello Word.